That shit crank.
What it do, what it is, the girls back up in this beat, and Cole wants to say hi, say hi. Alright, anyways, today we're going to do install of my Waterwave Melissa bundles, you know. And, you know, if I post this, that means I want to post it. If I don't, you ain't never going to see it. So, I don't know, if I seem like off or just not as energetic, it's because I'm tired, y'all. I had a long day yesterday and a long day today. So I'm gonna try to be as energetic as I can. I'm hot, I'm tired, but let's get right into it.
KGW. KGW.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the length real quick. This is 30 inches and this is how it looks on me. product. This is bothering me though, you know. Just a little piece right there. But I finally got my 30 inches, 30 inches, 30 inches, 30 inches. Okay. My knees hurt. I've been sitting in this cramped restroom this whole time. My arms hurt. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm hungry. And I'm thirsty. And it's hot because this light been beaming on me for the longest. But it's going to be worth it because tomorrow I'm going to try to vlog for y'all. You know, we got a little scene that we going to. So I'm trying to vlog and turn up, you know. So I'm ready. I'm going to be looking cute. Or whatever. No, I'm just playing. But anyways, if you like this video, if you want me to do more videos like this, then comment in the comments, like where else would you comment? Anyways, leave a comment, tell me if you like this video, and I'll do more like it. Cause I'm gonna definitely order more hair. I like this hair. This is my favorite type of curl pattern, y'all, water wave. But so I'm gonna try to put the link in the description to the hair too, and I'm gonna try to give y'all an update within like maybe 2 weeks. To let you know how the hair is doing. But I ordered from Melissa before. It's pretty good. So yeah, but this is it for now. I'm not going to do anything else to it. It's just going to look plain for now. But yeah, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. You already know how it go. Comment, subscribe, and like the video down below. Bye. And my poo-poo wants to tell y'all good night too. Look at him. He's sleepy. So we're gonna go to sleep, guys. Well, he's gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go eat and, you know, do some more stuff before I go to sleep. But say bye-bye. Say bye, Houston. How Houston hit us. All right.